This is Interactive Advanced Concept Presentation number 7, Magnetic Fluid. The materials you'll need. You will need black printer ink, preferably laser printer ink, vegetable oil, and earth magnets. You can see the materials listed here to your right. The procedure involves combining the printer ink and oil, making sure that you mix it well, and then you will use your magnets, your earth magnets, to watch the bubbles form and the ink will move around if you have done it correctly. For this experiment, the measurements were not entirely accurate, they were all approximate. So this experiment involves the creation of what is known as a ferrofluid. This is essentially a fluid with magnetic particles scattered about it, or simply put, a magnetic fluid. These types of fluids are used in various types of materials, including audio speakers, engines, sealants, and a whole host of other related activities, and in some cases medical procedures and distribution of drugs are also created taking magnetic fields into account. Magnetic fields can have an effect on various types of technology and other related objects. So what you noticed when the earth magnets, which were the small little silver circles, got near the actual fluid itself, you noticed little bubbles start to form. If you had stronger magnets, they would probably form spike-like needles, and they would move a bit better. Considering that the ink was in a plastic cup, so it had a barrier, and these were simple earth magnets purchased at your local hardware store, it is possible that had the measurements been a little more accurate, as in it might have been mixed a little bit better and the magnets might have been a little bit stronger, you would have seen a bigger response. Now when these magnets occur or get near this ferrofluid, it essentially magnetizes it. So this fluid will actually change in shape and size according to the position and movements of the magnet itself. In this case, you can actually move it around. You could, in theory, draw letters with it. The fluid itself would, respond to the magnet's every whim, movement, or activity. Now, the reverse is also true. If this magnet is removed, it will immediately demagnetize. So if your fluid is forming little spikes and you take that magnet away, it immediately becomes demagnetized and will revert to its original state. That is the printer ink vegetable oil mixture. Now, if you reapply this earth magnet, it will again remagnetize. This demonstrates the basic concept of the magnetic field and fluids, specifically ferrofluids, which I mentioned earlier are found in various technologies and devices and activities associated with our daily lives.